In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to earn around $1,562 within 2 to 3 days of time. I'm going to reveal my underground method, like my strategy, exact strategy, what I would be doing to drive traffic from different self-traffic platform to my affiliate link and generate sales. So please stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, MakeDirect by Soppari, helping you to make money through online. So if you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any notification from my end. So let's jump into the strategy directly. Today, the platform where we are going to work is called Digistore24. So if you are new to this platform, it is an affiliate network where you will be finding a lot many affiliate products over here so that you can promote from your end and earn commission from them. So if you're new to this channel, I'll just put the link in my description how to get signed up for this, so you can please watch that video. And this is one of my Digistore24 account for tutorial purpose, so I've created it. I would be like making lot many ways of strategies. I would be making use of lot many strategies to make money. So the strategies which works for me, I would be revealing it for you. Okay, so when I scroll down, you can see here like around in the March I've earned around $1,562 within 2 days. Okay, and I'm going to reveal the two platforms where I've worked. Okay, from where I've diverted traffic to my affiliate link. I'm going to reveal it, so please stay tuned. And if you're new then to this channel, then please subscribe. Why? Because you won't be finding this legit information anywhere else on YouTube. Okay, so I would be like refreshing this page so that you would be coming to know like this process is very legit. Okay, and you can see in the April month I'm having around $1,526 payment. Okay, so let's jump into the first platform where we are going. After you successfully signed up for Digistore24, when you click on Marketplace, here you will be finding a lot many affiliate products. Okay, so the product which I have promoted is intelligent cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you are not aware of this product, then I request you to go to sales page and read complete information about this cryptocurrency product. Then click on promote now. So once you click on promote now, what happens is like you would be generated with your own affiliate link. So you need to grab that affiliate link, and then after you need to visit a website called bit.ly.com, and here when you scroll down, you would be finding you would be asked for shorten your link. Suppose say this is my long URL, so I paste my long URL or the affiliate link which I've generated on Digistore24, and I shorten over here. So once I click on shorten, see this is my generated shorten bit.ly URL. So once it is generated, I would be saving it in my notepad or somewhere else so that you would be making use of it in the further use. So the first platform where we are going to work is called AddClerks.com. So AddClerks.com, it is a UK based company. Okay, and you can find reviews, it's quite good. So I request you to create an account, and you have an $10 off at present for the March month, so that's the reason I've used it. Okay, from AddClerks.com. so here you can see like you can buy ads online, you can sell ad space. Both the fields are available over here. And when you scroll down, so this is not actually the dashboard how it looks like once you signed up for this AddClerks. I'm going to reveal you the dashboard also, but before that I would be showing you exactly how this platform would be working. So here when you search for categories, there are a lot many categories available over here. So my product is on cryptocurrency, so I'm going to work on cryptocurrency. If your product relates with other niche, then you can select that niche so that you would be getting platforms according to your name. And here I would be selecting cryptocurrency, and now here you can see here 6.8 million impressions, and the price here is quite low when it compared with Facebook ads or Google ads or ads anywhere across the internet. Here when you come across this platform, you can see for 50 cent we are coming across with 1k impressions. Okay, for 50 cents only 1k impressions. So when I open this platform, and here you can see the Alexa rank is 9466. If not, then you can go to SimilarWeb. Okay, SimilarWeb, and here you can paste your platform URL and search. And SimilarWeb would be giving access for us for only 3 websites. So make sure like you choose your own website, the complete website which you would like to promote, where your affiliate link would be promoted. So here when I scroll down, you can see the country rank 160, global rank is 23,000, and the category rank is 4. So when it comes to the traffic, the maximum traffic is coming from Afghanistan, and 13% traffic is coming from Russia, and 7% traffic is coming from United States. So what I would be doing is like this platform would be working for me. So I've already shortened my affiliate link, so I would be promoting my affiliate link in this platform. Okay, so here, so you can make use of this kind of platform called AddClass. Okay, so I'm going to reveal you the dashboard, how does it looks. Please stay tuned. This is how AddClass platform looks like. So once you successfully signed up, you need to click on add marketplace, and here you need to select your category. So once you have selected with the category, so if in case this is valuable for me, so I'm going to open it. So once I open it, this is how it would be asked for us to do. It would be asked for us to add to cart option would be available here. So you need to purchase this, and here you can see the targeted countries like Thailand, United States, Philippines, Russia, Indonesia, Brazil. So all the tier 1, tier 2 countries are available here. Not only on this platform, you can scroll down and you can check the website details on SimilarWeb. So you can target your audience according to the country, the traffic according to the country which these platforms are holding. So I request you to try this. Okay, and the next platform where we are going to work, Taboola. You can see Taboola is a private advertising company. Headquarters is in New York City. This is a native ad platform where you can place your banners in different websites. Okay, so I request you to sign up for this, and the price is quite high when it compared to AddClass, but I request you to have a try on Taboola too. Why? Because if this is my first video actually, to let you know, this is my first video on paid ads. Okay, all my previous videos is on organic related kind of strategies, but today on request basis I've made this. This video is compared with only paid advertisements. So these two platforms, one is AddClerk.com and the other one is Taboola.com. So these two platforms would be helping you out to drive massive traffic to your affiliate link. So once you give a try, you would be coming to know. So I would be mentioning the link in my description also. Do not to worry, you can directly click over there and visit the platforms. That's it guys. Hope you like the video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.